Hello, I am Dr. Rajendra Burdikatti, a writer based in Shimoga city in Karnataka. Today, I am going to recite and explain a poem originally composed in Kannada by one of the major writers of modern Kannada literature, Dr. Guggari Shantavirappa Shivarudrappa, G.S. Shivarudrappa, who is popularly known as GSS. Dr. G.S. Shivarudrappa was born in a small village called Isur in Shimoga district in Karnataka. As his father was a school teacher and was being transferred frequently to one place to another, Shivarudrappa had to spend his childhood days in different parts of South Karnataka. Dr. Shivarudrappa, as a writer, contributed a lot to the Indian literature in general and to the Kannada literature in particular. Although he wrote in many forms, travelogues, essays, he is recognized as a poet. It is because he has chosen poetry form as a major form for his literary expression. Now, let me recite his one poem. This poem, the Song of Determination. In Kannada, it is originally titled as Sankalpa Geete. Now, let me recite the poem. The Song of Determination. Amid the dense darkness surrounded, amid the dense darkness surrounded, let us kindle a lamp of love. Amid the dense darkness surrounded, let us kindle a lamp of love. Let us stare with carefulness. Let us stare with carefulness the storm-stricken, shocking ship. The storm-stricken, shocking ship. To the filthy lakes and rivers, to the filthy lakes and rivers, let us become the early rains. Let us become the early rains. Through the dried up fields and forests, to the dried up fields and forests, let us reach as lovely spring. Let us reach as lovely spring. Getting the downtrodden up, getting the downtrodden up, let us build up the confidence. Let us build up the confidence. Breaking down the erupted walls, breaking down the erupted walls, let us build the bridges. Let us build the bridges. I am coming to the last stanza now. Let us come to the understanding. Let us come to the understanding. All the religions are mere roads. All the religions are mere roads. Let us sow the future dreams. Let us sow the future dreams in the eyes blocked with doubts and frights. In the eyes blocked with doubts and frights. This is the poem, the Song of Determination. Let me explain in a few words the meaningfulness of this poem. At the beginning itself, I have to say that this poem is composed in metaphoric language, meta language. What is meta language? This poem is full of metaphors. Let me uh, focus on some metaphors. At the beginning, in the first stanza itself, the poet says, amid the dense darkness surrounded. What is the darkness surrounded? What is the darkness here? The darkness is the adverse condition before us, the adverse condition of our society. This is the dense darkness here. Kindle a lamp of love. Shivrudrapa is popularly called as a poet of light. Poet of light. The symbol of light, the lamp, the metaphor lamp is frequently used in his poetry. In this poem also it is used, the lamp of love. And in the third and fourth lines, he gives another metaphor. Let us steer with carefulness. Let us drive with carefulness the storm-stricken shaking ship. What is the shaking ship here? Ship is our life. Shaking ship. The ship is storm-stricken. The storm, what are the storms here? The difficulties of life. Our life is stricken by the difficulties. So we have to lead that life with carefulness. So this is the idea of this first stanza. In the next stanza, once again the metaphors. To the filthy lakes and rivers. Filthy lakes and rivers. Just imagine the lakes and rivers filled with unwanted materials like empty plastic bottles, use and throw materials. So just we can imagine. The filthy lakes and rivers. What are the lakes and rivers here? The lakes and rivers are some sections of our society. Some sections of our society are filled with some unwanted practices. The filth here, the unwanted practices, unnatural practices. Let us become the early rains, monsoon rains. The early rains cleans the filthy lakes and rivers. So, as a early rain, we have to clean by giving up these unwanted practices in our life. This is the second stanza, the first two lines. To the dried up fields and forests, dried up fields and forests, let us reach as lovely spring. Here the fields and forests, metaphor, fields and forests, let us reach as lovely spring. Spring itself is the symbol of cheerfulness. Cheerfulness. Come to the third stanza. Getting the downtrodden up, let us build up the confidence. The downtrodden, to the downtrodden, we have to build up confidence in them. Directly says here the poet. In the next lines, another metaphor is used. Breaking down the erupted walls, let us build the bridges. Walls and bridges. So walls, breaking down the erupted walls. We have many type of wars. Many type of walls erupted among us. The walls of caste, the walls of religion, the walls of sex, the walls of race. We can continue. Many walls are there. These walls are dividing our society. So we have to break down these walls. Breaking down the erupted walls, let us build the bridges. What is the alternative? After breaking the walls, alternative should be given. The poet gives here alternative, the bridging the build, bridging the, constructing the bridges. The bridge is metaphor for joining people. Now come to the last stanza. In this last stanza is very most important because here the poet says what is the central idea of this poem. The lines go like this. Let us come to the understanding. Let us come to the understanding. All the religions are mere roads. All the religions are mere roads. The religions. India is a country of religions. According to Shivarudrappa, the religions are not the destinations. They are mere roads. Destination is far away. For one destination, there may be 100 roads, 100 ways. We can take this way or that way. But we have to understand that all the religions are mere roads, not the destination. Let us sow the future dreams. Let us sow. Let us sow the seeds. Let us plant the saplings of the future dreams, sweet dreams. Where we have to sow? In the eyes, filled, blocked with doubts and frights. Doubts and frights. This is the poem, the meaningful poem, the song of determination. At the end of my speech, let me conclude with 2 points. One, this song of determination is composed in meta language, the language filled with metaphors. The central idea, the theme, the gist of this poem is to convey us that our society, our life is filled with some unwanted, unnatural practices which are harmful to the social life. We have to give up all these. We have to replace these unwanted, these harmful practices with some useful practices in our individual as well as social life. This is the central idea of this poem. This is the determination we have to make at this moment. This is the central idea of this poem composed by Dr. G.S. Shivarudrappa. Thank you.